We're going to Gaya Street Sunday Market. We're so near yet so far. We were already there, but there was no parking, so we have to go to a shopping mall near to Gaya Street Sunday Market and then park there and just walk. Oh, dia boleh buat henna tattoo. Oh, ni jual ikan. Wow, what is this? Tu lah bulabi tu sebenarnya. Itulah. Tu dia minum daripada dalam tu. Dalam buah tu je.
Sini orang-orang kat sini restoran.
Oh, there's a cat.
And then we just mix it, you know.
No. Wah, kat macam mana ni yang? Kat sana ada lagi. Ah. Make sure to visit this uncle for a beautiful handwritten calligraphy of your name on a bookmark. Abacus. Video.
Oh, dah. Faham.
Itulah. Kena carilah. Kalau tak ada dan tak boleh nak buat apa ni. Yang macam meja ni. Saya boleh extend juga ni ke atas lagi. Okay, so we just left Surya Sabah and now we're on our way back to our hotel. I'm I'm just going to show you where you know, we've been eating. There are quite a few places. One of it is the Filipino market, the food market, and the other one is a place near sculpture of a fish called I don't know what it's called. Is it a marlin? Ikan toda. I think it's a marlin. Blue marlin, I think. So you can see there's a I love KK love sculpture over there. It's a high tide now. I love it. I love the beach. See, this is the blue marlin. So I think this is the sculpture. I'm not sure. Yeah. This is the sculpture. So the place that we ate well, a few days ago was somewhere inside there. See those tents? Okay, it's from here until there. So those tents, there's a place called Pulau Mabul. It's a not to say a restaurant. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, it's a place to eat. It's quite nice, so you can have a look. And this place right here, right under this pedestrian bridge, is where we ate our durian last night. It's not nice. Don't go. This is a market, the Pasar Besar Kota Kinabalu. This is the place right here. It's huge. Okay. It's a very nice day today. It's not too hot. It was around afternoon just now, but it's not hot anymore. This is my favorite place because they sell a lot of pearls and I love it. Oh no, this is the food market, I think. Oh no, this is where they sell all the pearls. The food market is right in front. Very nice place. There's a few nice things to eat at the food market, the Filipino market. This one right here, Kuasa Malam Sinsuran, Kota Kinabalu. Very nice place. And this is the, what do you call that thing? Fruits market.